Same thing with real estate. Real estate works the same way. Real estate is a great wealth building tool. It's a great wealth storage tool. But the thing that so many people get confused is they think that they're going to become wealthy because they own real estate. When in reality is you got to kind of build that wealth first. You got to make that money first, then use that money to go out and buy real estate. And this is where people get caught up into the things like no money down real estate investing. No money down real estate investing has made me a lot of money, but not because of the way that you think. It has made me a lot of money because people will go into no money down real estate investing, get in over their head, get into foreclosure, and then be forced to sell by all other lenders. And that's where the lenders come to people like me and sell me that property at a discounted price. And so this is where now that financial education is important to understand. Now, if you want to go out and invest in real estate, that's great. But there's risks involved. And not that you should let the risks stop you from wanting to do it, but that you have to understand the risks, be willing to learn, be willing to invest in your financial education, and again, make smart investment decisions. Make sure that you understand the type of cash flow that this property will produce